Peace, beautiful beings, and welcome to Collective Light. My name is Cherise Lovely, and I do not go live on TikTok, so here we are. I was guided here for some reason to do this meditation tonight, so I know that the Pacific Standard Time is pretty behind the majority of the world, so we are still here in June 3rd of 2025 at this point in time when I am recording this. And I believe that I was called to just tap into this 369 energy. And if you are not familiar or didn't hear about this energy for today, I'm here to share it with you briefly and to do a brief meditation so that you have the opportunity and space to really tap into those energies right here, right now. So, learning new things. So, part of that energy is aligned with the 369 energy that is here. And if you want to know more about it, I definitely encourage you to go and check out videos on other spaces about 369 and why June 3rd, 2025 is so potent energetically. And so 3, that number is aligned with the beginning. Those first steps, if you start to feel new things coming in for you, new directions, things getting set in motion, you're starting to think, maybe these things don't really align with me anymore. And so that 3 is the beginning of those feelings and those understandings and those new directions that you are being guided towards. And 6, so we're in the 3rd day, and that's where the 3 comes in. 6 June is the bridge of our inner and outer worlds. The change that becomes physical. So you might start to let go of certain habits, you might start to let go of certain people, certain spaces, jobs, family members, friends, relationships, whatever it is that you see coming up in your life. That 6 is where you started to have those desires in the beginning, but this is now the bridge of that becoming a reality for you. And so that brings balance into your life. And so we're tapping into that 6 energy of balance, and also that balance is also on the other side of you're now creating new bonds. So new people might be coming into your life that you're more aligned with, or jobs are coming into your life that you're like, yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for. These are the right people that are around me. You have a new partner that actually isn't toxic. You know, there's all these different things that can start to come into your physical reality, and that's that 6 energy. And then thanks for liking, guys. And then 9 is the energy of the ending. So you might start to feel like you don't really know anything. You might feel a little bit lost or unsure, and that's because the old you is disappearing. You're turning into this new being, the new begins. And today, 2025, is where the 9 comes in. So if you're into numerology, 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 9. And so we're now aligning today, at least in PST time, but you already experienced it if you're ahead. And this energy is already potent for you, and you may have felt it in your day earlier today, but you're really coming into all of those at the same time: the beginning, the bridge, and the new you, and the new energies, and these endings. And this energy, this time, this date doesn't come again until 2034. And so you have 10 years, about roughly 10 years or 9 years. You have 9 years to tap into this new energy and, be intentional with where you're actually trying to go, and release those things that you no longer need, because we're in a point in time where we have to stop just feeling stuck and feeling like we can't take our power back in certain situations. So yeah, that's why I'm here sharing this meditation with you. So if you're down for it, feel free to find a comfortable seat. This is an opportunity for you to allow the universe to listen to your authentic desires, because you are creating that life for yourself. You're creating those things for yourself. And this is your opportunity to really think about what direction you're trying to take. What are those next steps for yourself? And let the universe just hear you and be receptive. And yeah, so come to a comfortable seat, whatever feels good for you. You can place your palms down on your thighs or up as a sign of receptivity here. Relax your shoulders down and away from your ears. Maybe close your eyes, find a soft gaze. Do your best to not be distracted for the next few moments. Begin together by taking a collective deep breath in through the nose. Hold your breath at the top. Exhale, release out through your mouth. Cleansing breath. This time, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold your breath at the top. Relax your shoulders. Exhale out through your nose. Release. Now we'll tap into the energy of 369. Take a deep inhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath at the top. Let your breath fill for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale from your nose. Relax your shoulders for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, deep breath in, fill yourself up for 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath at the top for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release completely for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale deeply for 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 3. Hold your breath for 6. Exhale for 9. Two more. Inhale for 3. Hold your breath for 6. Exhale for 9. Last round. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold for 6, 2, 1. Exhale for 9, 6, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, release out through your mouth. Come back to this space. If you just joined, we tapped into that 3-6-9 breath. So you can realign some of that energy within. And there are some ways that you can also tap into this energy naturally. You can do your own breathwork practice every day when you rise. First thing when you rise, you can write down 3 intentions for your day. And if you are not sure what an intention is, it's just you thinking about what it is that you want to do in your day. So they're kind of like goals, and you just write down 3 things that you want to see in your life. And it's good to write them in a way that's like aligned with what you're trying to bring into your life, as opposed to what you're not trying to have in your life anymore. So writing 3 things for your day that you're trying to bring into your life, whatever those are for you. It can be whatever you want. Then you sit there for silence for 6 seconds. And then you take 9 deep breaths at your own pace. And do that every day just to start your day. And then if you're a journal type like me and you like to write and manifest in different ways, or just set your intentions and your goals through writing, feel free to journal these prompts about what did you feel today, what did you remember, and what do you want to let go of. So just think about those 3 things and tap into those energies throughout. You got 9 years to tap into some new energy and just let that new cycle come in, because reality is shifting, and regardless if you're into this kind of energy or not, this is a collective energy that is happening. So it's going to affect you and the people around you regardless, if you want to tap into it or not. So, you know, you might as well just take control in your own life and manifest the things, or write about the things, or talk about the things that you're trying to bring into your own life, rather than, you know, just remaining in spaces you don't want to be in anymore. Because I know that I'm tired of hearing myself complain about the places that I'm in. So I just offer this to you as a tool that you can use, because I know I'm going to use it for myself. And feel free to share how it helped you, because I'd love to hear those wins for you. And thanks for coming live, because this is new for me. I'm usually on the tube, so nice to see y'all on TikTok, and I'll see y'all in the future. Peace. Have a beautiful evening, and we're gonna figure out how to turn this off. Oh, join my fan club. See, I don't even know how these things. See, thanks. Thanks, y'all. I love that. Yes. And yeah, you're so welcome for sharing. Oh, I'm so glad I can see the the chat. Someone fell asleep. You know what? Maybe your body needed that. So I say listen to your body if it wanted to go to sleep, because you came back, right? Maybe feeling brand new a little bit. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, this is so cool. See, this is why I got called on TikTok, because y'all are super engaging. But I gotta go. I have not been to work, y'all. So we gotta go to work tomorrow. Okay. And I don't know how to end this, so somebody help me. Por favor. Oh, I see. Okay. Thanks for coming, y'all. Follow me. I'll try to come through with some more meditations, because this was cool. And yeah, I would love to know how it helped you throughout the next few days. Please share, because I love that for you. Okay, bye.